Hello and welcome to the Ranch Systems YouTube channel. My name is Jose, and in today's short video I will be demonstrating one way on how we can capture total water usage for the year. Let's begin. This image you see in front of us, we have one of our telemetry systems, an RS-130 with two sensors. Sensor going down this conduit is a pressure transducer that lets the customer know when he turned the water on and off, and also gives us the value of how much pressure is in their line. Second sensor is an optical camera that has been installed on top of the flow meter's display. The purpose of this camera is to obtain daily images of the meter's readings. These readings get stored on our platform for our customers' quarterly and yearly reports. Now we're going to jump onto the second page for more in-depth information. As you can see here, we have multiple tiles with different values. Tile number 1 is where we're at right now. Very self-explanatory. This is the daily image that we obtain from our camera. Current timestamp, well ID, and a clear and readable odometer reading. We also have a couple of cool features. The camera feature, this we can send a command to take a new photo, and also we have a calendar option. What does the calendar do? Well, the calendar lets us go back to last week, last month, or last year if needed to. I want to go back to the 6th of this month. Click on the 6th, press OK, and now we have that information. Sometimes customers perform manual readings and they place that camera upside down, and we have a rotation button. If that ever happens, you can rotate the camera. In this case, we're going to leave it as is because it's set properly. Second tile correlates with our first one, and that is pretty much our manual readings that is being entered daily. If we go back to 3 months, we would see different values. As long as the well is being used, we would see a different value each day. If it's not being used, we're going to have the same number each day. We could do that for the entire year or 2 years if needed to. We could also compare year over year and see pretty much what took place. And if you needed this information as a report, you can go on these 3 little dots, click on export as a CSV. You would download it, save it, and then use it as needed. The third tile is our pressure transducer that we talked about earlier. As you can see right here, it's at a 0. The well is not being used at the moment, but let's go back to 3 months. And now we would see the values when the well was being used. If we wanted to focus on just one specific event, we would hover over that, and then we could see its values. And we could do that for the entire year. Same thing if you wanted to get a report for your team and show them pretty much how much water was being used, and click on the 3 little dots, download the file, and share it with them. The next 3 tiles are pumping monthly, acre feet. It gets recorded. This next one is year total from October to September. As you can see here, they use 46.8 acre feet. And then the next one is total year total from August to July. As you can see here, in the months of the summer, a lot more water is being used. Could go back to a full year's worth of information. and see what was taking place. You could also go back and compare year to year as well. Let's just say that we want to see the last 2 years. You would be able to see the difference in the two. Same thing, if you want to share this with your team or create a report, go to the 3 little dots and download the file as well. But this concludes our video of how we capture water usage throughout the year. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you.